Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can approve or delete TikTok filtered comments. So TikTok automatically filter comments based on keywords, spam detections, and moderation settings. If you want to approve or delete these comments, you can just follow the steps that I'm going to show through this video. So the first method, you can approve or delete filter comments manually, and it is best for checking and managing comments in your filter list. What you need to do is just open a TikTok application, and then you can just go to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. And in here under the privacy, click on the privacy, and under the privacy, you can see interaction section. You can just tap on commands and scroll down until you find the filtered unwanted commands or filter specific keywords. So you can just choose which one, because it depends on the one that you are choosing. So you can just click on this, for example, this one, review filtered commands. So as you guys can see, there are no filtered comments because there's no comments on my TikTok video. But if you see one, you can choose to approve it. You can allow it to be visible on your video, and to delete it, it will be removed permanently. But if you don't see the options, you need to ensure that the comment filters are enabled in the privacy filter. The second method, you can turn off comment filtering. So if you want all comments to show automatically, you can stop the filter settings, filter comment settings. You can just again, here still in the comment settings, you can just, if you have turned this turn on, you can just turn it off just like this until it turns to gray. So this will allow all commands, even spam, to appear automatically. And the third method, you can also bulk delete filter commands. So for quickly removing multiple filtered commands, you can just open your TikTok notifications and go to commands, and then tap on the filter, this one, notifications, and find the command options, and you can just select the manage multiple command and check the comments that you want to delete and just delete them. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.